Welcome to AccuQuiltable Block Maker. In this tutorial, we'll explore custom fabric management, where you can add, organize, and apply your own fabric textures to quilt designs. Let's get started. The Fabric Library lets you apply realistic fabric textures to your quilt blocks. Click the Fabric tab in the Properties box on the right panel. Browse the built-in Fabric Library to select preloaded textures. If you want to use your own fabric, you can add custom fabric swatches. To add a custom fabric swatch, right-click inside the Fabric Library and select Add Fabric. Select an image of your fabric, JPEG, PNG, or BMP format. Name the fabric swatch and click OK to save it. Your custom fabric will now appear in the Fabric Library for future use. To keep your fabric collection organized, right-click inside the Fabric Library and select Create New Folder. Name the folder, for example, My Fabrics or Floral Prints. Right-click on the folder you just created and click Add to upload new fabric swatches to that folder. To remove or replace a fabric swatch, right-click a custom fabric and select Delete to remove it. To replace a fabric, click Add Fabric and upload a new image file. Now let's apply a custom fabric to your quilt design. Select the quilt block or an individual shape. Click the Fabric tab in the Properties box. Choose your custom fabric from the Fabric Library. Click Apply to update the selected shape with the custom fabric texture. To adjust how your fabric appears in the quilt block, use the Rotation tool to rotate the fabric pattern. Adjust the Scale slider to resize the fabric texture. Click Apply to save your changes. That's it! Now you know how to add, apply, and manage custom fabrics in AccuQuiltable Block Maker. For more quilting tips, visit AccuQuilt.com for tutorials and inspiration. Happy quilting!